This tutorial will cover how to send donation acknowledgements through the system. Before you send donation acknowledgements, you'll need to have created donation-related templates and set the default templates for both the system and for individual funds. Please see the tutorial on managing templates, configuring acknowledgement settings, and funds. To send donation acknowledgements, start by clicking on the main menu, and in the Active Modules section, under Communication, click on Send Acknowledgements. This will bring up the Generate Acknowledgement screen, which will allow you to see all current unacknowledged donations or donors. All donations will automatically have been assigned templates based on either the default setting for acknowledgements or the funds that donations may be linked to. You can narrow down the acknowledgements presented by using either the date filter in the top right or by clicking on the category for the type of donations you are viewing on the left. To change the type of donations you are viewing, click on one of the Acknowledgement Type tabs on the top. To start a new acknowledgement batch, start by setting a name for the batch in the Batch Name field, or use the suggested default name. Next, click on the Generate button in the lower right-hand corner to create the batch using all donations or donors shown. On the All tab of the Send Acknowledgement screen that next appears, you'll be asked to confirm or set the mode of acknowledgement. By default, the mode will be set based on the communication preferences within the donor's contact record. In order to send an acknowledgement, the contact will need to have an email or physical address in their record, depending on whether you wish to send the acknowledgement via email or mail, respectively. To see a preview of the letter to be generated for an acknowledgement, click on the Preview drop-down for that letter and select the preview method you wish to use. To remove an acknowledgement from the current batch, click on the Preview drop-down to the right of the acknowledgement and click Delete. This will return the acknowledgement to the Generate Acknowledgement screen to be included in a future batch. To send out any email acknowledgements, click on the Email tab at the top. In the resulting screen, specify the sender name and email you wish the acknowledgement to appear from. Next, in the subject line field, give a clear subject for the email so that the donor knows what the content of the email will be. Once you have set all required fields, click on the Send Email button, and the emails will be sent for processing. To print out acknowledgements to be mailed, click on the Mail tab at the top. In the resulting screen, click on the icon for the print option you wish to use, of either PDF, Word doc, or HTML. If you desire, you may use the Download Envelope button to generate a PDF document of envelopes that you can print. When you have finished printing, click on the Done Printing button on the right. If you have no further acknowledgements to send in this batch, click the Back button to return to the Acknowledgement History screen. You may also reach the Acknowledgement History screen from the Send Acknowledgement screen by clicking on the View History button. To delete a batch, thus returning all contained letters to the Send Acknowledgement screen, click on the drop-down to the right of the appropriate entry and select Delete. Once you have confirmed the change, the batch will be removed and all donations returned to the Send Acknowledgement screen to be placed into a new batch. To resend or reprint acknowledgements for a batch, click on the View Recipients button to the right of the appropriate batch. This will open the Acknowledgement Recipients screen, which, like the Send Acknowledgement screen before, will have an Emails and Mail tab to select between. For emails, select the acknowledgements you wish to resend, confirm the sender name, email, and subject, and click on Resend Email. For mail, as originally, click on the button for the printing method you wish to use, and/or use the Download Envelope option to regenerate letters for mailing.